As long as human nature includes criminal activity, we're going to need locks, keys, and safes. That means there will be work for the tradespeople who perfect the precision skills necessary to become locksmiths and safe repairers. We depend on them to install locks and safes and repair them when they break. We also depend on locksmiths to come and help when we accidentally lock ourselves out of our car or home. As security systems become more complex, moving from mechanical to electronic, it is more likely that training will be on the job for a company that specializes in certain systems. However, the mechanical knowledge that serves as a foundation for this trade can be learned in the military or at a vocational school. More basic work, such as making keys and lock repairs, might be learned on the job at a hardware store or in a handyman's position. Trustworthiness, a clean record, and mechanical ability are factors that will be considered by your employer and by your customers.
Good day. See you later.